case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Court of Appeal of the State of California stepped into a thorny debate in a 1996 case termed Bashi v. Wodarz, revolving around the contentious issue of whether a sudden mental illness could provide a shield against negligence in a car accident. The plaintiffs, Mubarak Bashi and Nasim Akhtar, found themselves on the receiving end of two traffic collisions inadvertently chained together by the defendant, Margie Marie Wodarz. The defendant alleged a sudden burst of unanticipated mental illness that allegedly left her incapable of controlling her actions during the accidents. In her murky recollection, her actions were described as bizarre, with the traffic report bolstering her defense with her declarations regarding her mental state and subsequent lack of control. The lower court granted initial victory to the defendant through a summary judgment, dismissing the plaintiff's claim and staving off requests for a trial de novo and a motion to reopen discovery, all pinned on the acceptance of the defendant's mental health as an unforeseeable circumstance that triggered the accidents. Not convinced, the plaintiffs appealed this decision, throwing back into the legal ring the question of whether sudden mental illness could stand as a credible defense in negligence cases. The court was thrust back into reevaluating the case, guided by existing California law which affirms that even mentally deficient individuals are liable for their actions and must meet the conduct standards of a reasonable person. The Court of Appeal reversed the lower court's ruling, siding with the plaintiffs and revoking the validity of the defendant's sudden mental illness as a defense. They stipulated that even if her mental illness could be classified as a transitory delirium, state law, as established in the precedent Mullen v. Bruce, specifies that she would still be considered a person of unsound mind, and thus liable for her wrongful act. Consequently, the summary judgment was discarded and the plaintiffs awarded costs. A firm judgment that shoves mental vulnerability aside as an escape route in negligence legal battles.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.